Namaste students, this is JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I have prepared this lecture for BSc BA ZBC 5th semester. Topic is Economic Botany. Students, today we are going to study plant fibers in economic botany. Okay. Before that, we have studied pulses, cereals, all yielding plants in details. So today's turn is of plant fibers. What are those plant fibers? What are those plants belonging to which category? All those things we are going to see. Okay. So cordage fibers, that is coir. Okay. Classification: botanical name is Cocos nucifera, local name is Nariyal coconut, family belonging to Palmaceae, another name is Ericaceae. Useful organ is K. Okay, coir. Now usage of coir: the tender nuts are demand for their liquid, which provides a very refreshing and delicious drink. You might have experienced that the liquid whitish material of coconut we used to drink. This is very nutritious, very healthy. It can also used in plant tissue culture as a media, as a nutrient media, because it is rich with so many nutrients, minerals, and cytokinin, plant hormones. Okay. Second is the coconut fiber is used for making mattresses, ropes, net, bag, etc. Coir is also used for brittle, for brushes, doormats, coarse, stuffing for roll and bus seats, etc. We have seen the seats of buses, vehicles, that cushion like structure is stuffed by coir. The copra is crushed to obtain coconut oil, which is in great demand for edible purpose. Okay, the coconut oil is an ingredient in the manufacturing of soap, hair, different creams, and etc. These are some of the photos of coir uses, coir fibers, plates, baggage. This is the manufacturing unit of coir. Second is red silk, that is cotton. First, classification: the scientific name of this plant is Bombyx ceiba. Local name is Cimalo capopri. That is another name, Semal. Family name is Bombaceae. Useful organ is inner wall of fruit. In image we can see the flower of the Bombyx, which is reddish in color. Now uses: the floss is used for stuffing pillow, cushions, mattresses, etc. Floss is also used for stuffing life belt, upholstery, and quilts. Also used as an insulation material for refrigerators and soundproof covers and walls. It is better than cotton wool for packing fragiles. For transporting the fragile material, it is used as a cushion-like structure so that it cannot be broken. Fiber is spun into yarn used for the manufacturing of plushes. Okay. These are some of the images of cotton products. You can see here sari, mattresses, wool, and cotton-like structures, which has huge impact on human life. Then next one is silk cotton, white silk cotton. That is scientific name Cochlorospermine religiosum. Local name is Pilicapas family. Cochlospermaceae. Useful organ is plant fiber. Uses: the fiber is used as a stuffing material, it is cushion, pillow, etc. The tree also yields an edible gum. The gum is used as a substituent for dressing and ice cream industry. It is used as a silk cloth material like dresses. The seeds contain a non-drying oil reported in Indian material to account to 14 to 15% and to be usable in soap manufacturing. These are the usage of white silk cotton, which can be used for mattresses, cushion, curtains, many more uses are there. Okay, so students, today we have seen some of the fiber yielding plants, their botanical name, their family, what are their application, and we have seen some of the images related to them. Thank you for today, students. We will meet on next day with new topic.